Today topic is Polar's law. The definition of Polar's law is limiting molar conductivity molar conductivity of without limiting molar conductivity of an electrolyte is the sum of individual sum of the individual contribution of conductivity of the cations and the anion of the electrolyte without limiting molar conductivity of an electrolyte is the sum of individual contribution of conductivity of the cation and the anion of the electrolyte. It is denoted by lambda infinity m. We write it is denoted by lambda infinity m. We write mathematical form. Here we write lambda infinity m. We know that any electrolyte made by cation and anion, here we write x into lambda infinity m cation plus y into lambda infinity m anion. This indicates molar conductivity of cation at infinite dilution. This indicates molar conductivity of anion at infinite dilution. Here we write another form lambda infinity m positive plus y into lambda infinity m negative. It is a mathematical form of Polar's law. Limiting molar conductivity of an electrolyte. This indicates limiting molar conductivity of an electrolyte is the sum. It is a sum. Is the sum of individual contributions of conducting of the cation. It is a cation and it is a anion. It is a sum. We write where lambda infinitive m is equal to molar conductivity of an electrolyte at infinite dilution. We write lambda infinitive m is equal to molar conductivity of an electrolyte at infinite dilution. We write x the number of cations. This x indicate the number of cations. We write lambda infinitive m cation और lambda infinitive m positive. Lambda infinitive m cation, lambda infinitive m positive sign. This indicate molar conductivity of cation at infinite dilution. Now we write y. Y is equal to the number of ions. We write lambda infinitive m anion और lambda infinitive m negative sign. This indicate molar conductivity of an ion at infinite dilution. It is a Kohlrausch law. Now we explain applications of Kohlrausch law. We write applications of Kohlrausch law. First application we write calculation of molar conductivity we write calculation of molar conductivity at infinite dilution for weak electrolyte. It is a first application of Raoult's law. We write calculation of molar conductivity at infinite dilution for weak electrolyte. Here we write acetic acid. Molecular formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. Acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. We write acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte. The molar, the lambda infinitive m of CH3COOH can be calculated with the help of a strong electrolytes CH3 COONACl and NaCl at infinite dilution. Now we write acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. Acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. The molar conductivity of acetic acid at infinite dilution can be calculated with the help of a strong electrolyte CH3COONACl and NaCl at infinite dilution. Now here we write lambda infinitive m. We write in bracket CH3COOH. This indicates acetic acid. The whole symbol indicates molar conductivity of acetic acid at infinite dilution. In the acetic acid, there are two parts. It is a anion and it is cation. We see this part is present the sodium acetate and this part is present in hydrochloric acid. So we see this and this, if added, it is made. Here we write lambda infinitive m CH3COONA plus lambda infinitive m ACl. If Na and Cl are removed, the rest part CH3, COO and H. Here we write minus lambda infinitive m NaCl. Now we write lambda infinitive m CH3COO minus plus lambda infinitive m Na plus. This electrolyte dissociate into acetate ion and sodium ion. Therefore, we write lambda infinitive M CH3 C double O minus plus lambda infinitive M Na plus. In ACl, two parts are present. Therefore, we write lambda infinitive M H plus. It is a positive part, and plus lambda infinitive M Cl minus in NaCl there are two parts. It is a cation and it is a anion. Therefore, we write lambda infinitive M Na plus minus lambda infinitive M Cl minus. These are dissociated. It is present in positive sign, it is present in negative sign. These are cut out. It is present in positive sign, it is present in negative sign. These are cut out. Therefore, we write in last lambda infinitive M CH3 C double O minus plus lambda infinitive M H plus. If both are add and get CH3 C double OH.